Valencia, a sunny region of Spain's east coast, features the Mediterranean climate of mild winters and warm summers. Gently sloping vineyards and permeable subsoils create the perfect growing conditions for this aromatic grape. Valencia is also home to the famous Las Fallas festival that welcomes the arrival of spring with fireworks and colorful giant paper-maché figures. During the festival, the city is filled with the sound of firecrackers each afternoon, ending in a big finale called the Terremoto. The Tempranillo grape's thick skin gives the wine a deep ruby color and moderate tannins. Medium-bodied and savoury, Terremoto Tempranillo has flavors of cherry, dried fig, and cedar, with hints of leather and spices. Pair with our signature recipe manchego stuffed peppers, barbecued lamb chops, or roasted eggplant. To view all the LE19 wines, visit wineexpert.com. These wines are only available through pre-order. Visit your retailer today.